Hi guys, today's tutorial is about how to add cover image to your Facebook page. Cover image is a space you guys can share with your customers or new clients, and this represents your brand, product, or your business. When you guys create this image should be matched with your business. So you can use either a simple image which is outside your buildings like this image. If at the beginning you don't have any ideas what to create for your space, you need to type the similar business to yours and get some idea from them. I'm pretty sure they have really good idea, and you can take some idea from these people as well. So by that means you don't need designer to design any image for you guys. You can be your own designer. This part is not that hard, it's very easy, and I'll show you everything step by step, and you can create your own with the free tools online. So to start, we need to log in Facebook and click on add a cover, and then you have 4 choices in here. We don't need all the 4 choices for this tutorial. My main tutorial, it would be about uploading your photo. So because we haven't created or designed any photo or image yet, we need to go to canva.com. It's like a Photoshop online, but in a simpler way. And also the good thing is about this tool is, however, is powerful, it's free for the users as well. Log in canva.com. After you log into this page, the first things you will see, it would be the lots of templates. You got template for social media, personal, business, marketing, and so on. Again, we go for the Facebook cover. Click on the Facebook cover, and it gives you the right dimension. Just to before I forget, I would like to mention the Facebook cover. The dimension is 851 pixel times 315 pixel, and I'll make sure to add this dimension for you guys in the description area at the bottom of this video. Now we go back to the canva.com again. There is so many options for you guys to pick one of those template in here. As you can see, you got craft time, and also you got art with me for art or for photography or for makeup as well. But what we do, we go and click on create blank Facebook cover. In this area, it takes you to the blank canvas, and in blank canvas you can put all your art or any design you like, from the text or from the elements or photos. So some of those images on your left side, they are for free, you don't need to pay for it. Some of them you need to pay for those images. All the images and the videos in canva.com, they are affordable. Obviously the ones with the watermark, it means the one you have to pay for it. Just make sure before you organize your image or canvas, you pick the right image for yourself. In this area you can see the text, and also you got options for the video. If you like any videos, you can have your video in here, or the background. You need to be creative and create your own template in here, or the image. Earlier for this tutorial, I'll upload the image in here. What you need to do when you upload it on canva.com, you go to the upload section, and with one click this image is gonna come to this white canvas. But some of the image are small, some of them are big. You need to resize your image, and when you resize your image, make sure either in centralize, or it would be on the left or right, and you got enough space to add your text. So for me, this is a good location for my image. But what I'm gonna do, I try to find another background on the left side, because I really like to see the blank. I try to find something that's very close or match to the color my pizza have or my main picture have. It looks like that flame or the fire looks good. Let's try this one. Hopefully it works, but it looks to me it's pretty big. I'm looking for now something different actually. So looks like we try until we succeed. This is not matched with my image. Try to find something better. Probably I'll go for nice texture. What I'm going to do, I'll go through the image again and try to find something better. I'm looking for something that's very close to the pizza background colors, like a brownish color, or maybe wooden design or wood design. It could be matched. Yeah, looks like I'll find something nice. Yeah, that one looks very good to me. What I need to do, just add the nice font, and then I'll go to the text section, and make sure you guys pick the good font. Canva.com gives you a lot of options for the font. So to avoid any typing mistake from the grammar, what I do normally, I type my title in the Word and I'll fix them and copy paste them in here, and then resize your image again to be fit with your picture. And make sure, if you want to move your image, make sure you click outside the box, otherwise you're not able to move your image. Just I would like to mention that be very careful when you finish your image. Some of the image, they got fine print. They are either at the bottom of the image, some are at the top of the image. Just be careful before you go for the download, you delete all those fine print as well. As you can see, I try to make my image to be fit to this small square. So now I'm going to change the color of this text. Oh, with a mistake, I need to resize. Yeah, capital, and then I go for the changing the color. Just want to show you these tools. It gives you these options to change your font color, and also I try to find another color for the rest of the text, and I think it looks good to me. That's it. And I would like to add one more element to put my restaurant's name or cafe name. I try to find some like a square, maybe. If I find something is good, I try to add that one, and then I'm going to I think I'll go back. Yeah, I think that one could be good. It's free as well. Drag drop or just click. Just you need to rotate. If depends on your image. For me, I think I need to rotate my image. Yeah, just then I'm going to add my text, which is my restaurant's name, my imaginary restaurant name. Just find the right place. Now I would like to be next to the pizza. I don't want to make it too busy. And then text, find the nice font again, and then you can change the font to your desired name. Double click, highlight, write my pizza, resize. So what I need to do now, I need to deselect and just move to my pizza word and put on my element on top of the pizza. Looks good. I don't need to resize or any adjustment. Maybe a little bit, tiny bit. Yeah, that's good. Looks good to me. I'll click outside the box. I'll deselect everything. I need to delete that small text. Yeah, looks good. We need to download this image. This image for the Facebook need to be on PNG. Click download, and it downloaded to your computer. And then click OK. Sometimes it gives you the preview of the image. Click OK. And then make sure you save this design for yourself. So next time when you log in Canva.com, you will see your design is still there, and if you want to do any adjustment, you can do it. Now we're going back to the Facebook. We log into our page again. We click on add cover, and we try to find our image, and we upload it in here, and choose upload photo/video. click, then my picture is right in here. We are back. I'll click and you guys can see the dimension as well. Then click open. My picture right here. And if you guys pick the right template in canva.com, your image should be like mine, exactly sitting here. It doesn't need any adjustment. Why? Because you picked the right dimension. So the only things you guys need to do right now to finish this process, you have to click on save. When you click on save, Facebook save this image on your page forever, unless you want to change your image. This image now saved. If you're not happy, or sometimes if you get bored, or sometimes if you got with the new design, the only things you need to do to change it, click right in here and it gives you the options to delete this image and add new image. When you go for remove, the Facebook asks you, do you want to remove this cover image? And just when you confirm, you remove the image and then you add new image as well. So what I'm going to do, I'll upload my own image as well because I quite like the design I did. Click OK and click save. So now guys, it's your turn. I would like to ask you a question. If you know any other tools online like canva.com to be free, make sure you leave it on comment and let me know what website is that, or if you guys rather to use another tools such as Photoshop or any other tools, please let me know as well. I'd like to hear from you guys. When you guys hear and click on my video and you watch my tutorial, it means a lot to me. I appreciate you guys and I appreciate your time as well. So please, if you don't want to miss my future videos, make sure you hit the subscribe buttons. Also, if you like this video, click on like button as well, and make sure you check out my other video as well. You guys have a good day. I hope to see you next time.